Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Learning Life and Loving Radio Scanners. Hello, welcome to a brand new week talking about what Tommy Cunningham is thinking about what he's planning to do for the rest of his life with his YouTube channel, with doing videos about trips, about stuff like that. Well, just to let you guys know, I know a couple of places have increased their YouTube capabilities. I know that because they use several different areas like that, which I think it's really interesting on some of these places. Because some of these places, you guys need like media credentials. You guys need like radio reference opportunities. You guys need like radio scanner opportunities, like from different areas, and like several different areas like that. Like for an example, like if I go to Beef and Boards, I cannot videotape that. I cannot spoil that show. So if you guys would like to know like what's going on, like you guys would like to see like what's happening there, some that I would recommend is that you guys follow the radio scanner opportunity area, which is like really kind of interesting. Like another area which I would honestly recommend, and this is just an area that I would really just think that would be a really good idea. It's that the radio scanner formats in different areas. So it's like whenever I go like to Madison, Wisconsin, maybe, but this weekend I got Aaron Tipton, and promise me, you guys, I'm going to tell you guys how the show goes, all right? And also let you guys know there is also some really good like radio opportunities. There's like so many like great opportunities that different places have. So the first thing that I would recommend, and this is a thing that I would recommend, it's that the radio scanner altitude that goes all around, and which I think is really kind of interesting. They got so much different radio scanner stuff, which like the different radio scanner places that are really different. They got two, which these two areas are unbelievably amazing. So the first area that I think would be the best area if you guys are ever planning to start like doing your own YouTube content, like on your ships, on like your different areas like those. Some that I would recommend, the first thing that I would recommend is that everybody uses like a really good radio reference app. So like a radio reference app is like so very different. So like a radio reference app, like that app that I like to use on this is called Scanner Radio. Luckily enough, I can use this phone right here for radio scanner roundups. Like right now, the radio scanner roundup that looks really good in the different areas that do so much a great job are usually like some airports, like the different airports, like the airport, my choice, which I'm happy about that I can listen to the air traffic there, which that is like the air traffic of the Louisville International Airport. Now that airport is like a really good choice if you guys are ever going out, you guys like a small airport, okay? So another thing, this Scanner app right here, this Scanner app is called Scanner Radio. This is a good app. So let's just say the place you guys go to doesn't allow radio scanners. You guys can use this app. Sorry. You guys can use this app right here. This app is like a really good space for whenever you guys go around and listen. Now, another great area that I probably would recommend, and this is something that I would recommend if you guys are ever planning to go to like New York, make sure you guys carry this because let's do an example. I'm on here on my phone, and then after that I say I'm wanting to listen to Niagara Falls, and then after that it pops up the Niagara County. Niagara County, come on. So if we look at Niagara County's radio frequencies, they got a lot, okay? Now let's just say if we go to Kentucky and listen to their radio frequencies, Kentucky has like different because they're in like a different region, of course. Now, I want to make sure this thing is connected to my Wi-Fi, and luckily enough it is. So if we go to browse area, we go on down to, let's just say, I'll do an example. I'll do my favorite place, Brevard County. Which luckily enough, that's where I'm going on a cruise coming up. So if I go here, I go to my favorite one, which is East Persic. Now if I turn this up, so that right there, you just get the local radio traffic from Brevard County. And let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to like a local communication, and you guys are wondering like let's just say there's a police department emergency in your area, and you guys are like wanting to know like what's going on, and like in just thinking about this one time at my apartment whenever the SWAT team came, and that happened just 1 year ago, which I was like really shocked. Like this place actually got the SWAT team. Now let's just say we are wanting to listen to, so we go on back to United States and we go to Indiana. We go to my county. We go to my county's radio system. That right there is right there is from our local radio system. All right. So then after that we do some research. This right here is like the talk groups. So I go on more information. You guys get all these talk groups. And then after that, if you guys go on back, we go to like a more bigger county, and we say, let's listen to Indianapolis. And then And then this right here, this is what we pick up right here. So this is all for the IMPD, which is the Indianapolis Metropolitan Police Department. So if we go here to the Southwest District, this is what that looks like. And we go here, this right here, this is like what this looks like. In there is like some southeast radio traffic. So like Beech Grove, Southport, Hiscox PD. So those are like a couple different areas. Now if we go on back, we go to like, some of the counties on here, I understand why you guys need a radio scanner for. Because some of the counties on here just give way too much radio opportunities. So like right here, Spencer County. This is where Holiday World is. And there are in Santa Claus. So if I turn this around, these are the frequencies that picks up. And Santa Claus is in their own district, all right? So they are usually with fire with Spencer County Fire, which the Spencer County Fire, this is kind of interesting where the Spencer County Fire is. The Spencer County Fire, that area is like way more, that place is like way more busier. That place is like way more hectic. Now this right here, I'm going to show you guys this. This right here is the Niagara Falls area. This radio scanner right here, now let's just say you guys are going to like a different area, this is for the Niagara region. Now Niagara County in New York, they got a much bigger radio system. Like, I am not even kidding, like, whenever I say that, you guys. Like, because if you guys, like, go over to their radio scanner feeds and, like, listen to it, now let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to Las Vegas, but you guys are wanting to listen to their police, so you guys go to here to this Los Angeles City Marshals. Because the Los Angeles City Marshals we see on here is like the only one that shows like that one is like PD. Well, of course we got Henderson. Now, what's sadly about this county, which I hate enough, so I just say if I'm wanting to listen to there, I just go over to this county in Arizona, which is the Bullhead County, and right here. So if I turn this up, this right here, it goes like this a couple of rounds. And then after that, if I show you guys this, this is what the information looks like right here. So this has like Arizona Highway Patrol. This has like the Bullhead City Airport Fire. So if there's like anything going on with their fire department. This one's got the Mohawk Valley Fire Department. Like, there is like more stuff that you guys can listen to if you guys get inside like the radio scanner habits. Now, radio scanner has really helped me out through the different days that I listen to it, which I think is really good.
Been released back to her parent. Can we rethrottle to assault at 98 APR?
So that right there was like from the Mohawk Valley Kingsman area radio channel. So let's just say you guys are wanting to listen to an airport. And I'm gonna hurry this up because I'm at 15 minutes. And I'm sorry you guys that I did not make a video this morning. I was super busy. So this right here is like the Louisville International Airport. This place is busy. Not as busy as a lot of the other airports. Orlando International is like one of the busiest that is in their area. So I hope everybody's liking this video because I am, and I'm sorry the web content ain't that good. I will be making, so something that I recommend, and if you guys are ever looking for like a good radio scanner content, I would recommend you guys just go around and look. Alright guys, that's it. I hope everybody's having a great day in YouTube. I will see you guys back here tomorrow for another video, and I will see you guys here tomorrow, maybe tomorrow morning. I don't know yet, but I'll let you guys know. Have a great day.